Good morning, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Shahida. Happy Wednesday. Let's sing our good morning song. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, room 4. Good morning to you. Now in Spanish. Buenos días, usted. Buenos días, usted. Buenos días, room 4. Buenos días, usted. All right. Now we're going to go to our question of the day. When we read the question of the day, do we start the left or the right? The left. The top or the bottom? The top. And it always begins with a capital letter. It says, who might have made this home in a tree? And it's a question mark because I'm asking a question. This right here, who might have made this home in a tree? Is it a bird or is it a fish? Did a bird make this or did a fish make this? Let me know your answer. Now we're going to go over the Mighty Minute number 61. Riddle, riddle, what is this? Over here I have some pictures. In this Mighty Minute we have some clues. So I'm going to be asking questions and then you're going to answer and tell me which one of these fits for the clue. Ready? Riddle, riddle, what is that? I am green and grow in trees. What is green that grows in trees? Is it a bee? Is it a bird or a leaf? Which one is it? It's I am green and grow on trees. This is the only green one, so I'm going to put it right here. This is the correct one, okay? Riddle, riddle, what is that? I sing and make a nest in trees. Have you ever heard a bee sing before? Or have you ever heard a bird sing before? I've heard birds sing before. All right then. Riddle, riddle, what is that? I buzz and make a hive in trees. They make this type of hive in trees. It is a bee. Do you see? We have a leaf, we have a bird, and we have a bee. Good job for guessing these correctly. One vocabulary word for today is census. Can you say census? Does anyone remember us reviewing census? Because we did, and we had a chart about it. I'm going to show you 1 second. These are our 5 senses. I can hear. We can hear with our ears. I can touch. We can touch with our hands. I can see. We can see with our eyes. I can smell. We can smell with our nose. And I can taste. We can taste with our tongue. All right? Like animals, we use our senses to understand the environment. All right? Our senses give us clues when we explore our environment. Say clue. Alrighty, some senses we use to explore our environment is seeing, hearing, and touching. We use those clues to look for what animals may live in trees. So we're going to use those 3 senses to find out which animals live in trees. So now I'm going to show you a few pictures that gives us clues that animals live in trees. Does anyone remember what this is? The tree did not make it itself. A certain animal made this on the tree. Do you see? I want to know which animal you think made this. Here's another clue. Think of the story, The Grouchy Ladybug. And yesterday's large group, I showed you a leaf of something that crawls on leaves and eats them. Do you see? This is their nest. I want to know which animal do you remember? Well, insect, do you remember I said? This right here might be your clue. It's a certain name. Can you tell me the name? We also reviewed this animal. Look, it's a certain type of frog that lives in trees. What is their name? Now, there's a few animals that made their home inside holes in the tree. They're called knot holes. Do you see? What animals? This one. What animal is this one right here? There's two of the same animal. Who might you think that is? And is it a family? And look at this family right here. Which animal is this called? Now, between the cracks of this trunk of the tree, you see a certain type of animal living in there. Who do you think it is? Remember the story, The Grouchy Ladybug? Give me the answer. And look at this animal. When this animal makes a home in a tree, it's very, very dangerous. Who might you think this is? And look at this animal hanging off a branch. What animal is that making a home in a tree? And this is today's question of the day, but just a different picture. What animal might you think have made this home? And what did they make it out of? And is it on top of the tree, at the bottom, in the middle? Let me know. So now we're going to review our shared writing, which is, what clues do we see that tell us an animal may have made a home in a tree? What clues? I showed you a variety of pictures here, boys and girls. Do you see? I will post them up on Class Dojo for you to save the pictures and review it with an adult. Talk about the different types of animals you see and what type of home they made. Do you see a hole in a leaf? Do you see a hole in the trunk or a nest or anywhere else? Let me know and I will put the answer here for you guys. I will see you later. Have a good one.